chasing. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run. Stack it up, quiet, one trade at a time. Done, long game, that's the only motto. Small wins add up, watch the account grow slow. No rush, let the process work. Chill in the zone, that's the only flex. Yeah. Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade at a time, nothing forced. Trust the process, ride the natural course. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run. Stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done. Green candles, stacking slow. Coffee's hot, charts are up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run. Stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done. Discipline over hype, that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new setup, still here chasing. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run. Stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done, long game, that's the only motto. Small wins add up, watch the account grow slow. No rush, let the process work. Chill in the zone, that's the only flex. Yeah. Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade at a time, nothing forced. Trust the process, ride the natural course. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run. Stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done. Green candles, stacking slow. Coffee's hot, charts are up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run. Stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done. Discipline over hype, that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new setup, still here chasing. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run. Stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done. Long game, that's the only motto. Small wins add up, watch the account grow slow. No rush, let the process work. Chill in the zone, that's the only flex. Yeah. Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade at a time, nothing forced. Trust the process, ride the natural course. Chill in the zone, Watching money grow, slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time, done. Green candles, stacking slow. Chill in the zone. Chill in the zone. Yeah. Coffee's hot, charts are up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time, done. Discipline over hype, that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new setup, still here chasing. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done. Long game, that's the only motto. Small wins add up, watch the account grow slow. No rush, let the process work. Chill in the zone, that's the only flex. Yeah. Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade at a time, nothing forced. Trust the process, ride the natural course. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time, done. Green candles, stacking slow. Chill in the zone. Chill in the zone. Yeah. Coffee's hot, charts are up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time, done. Discipline over hype, that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new setup, still here chasing. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time, done. Long game, that's the only motto. Small wins add up, watch the account grow slow. No rush, let the process work. Chill in the zone, that's the only flex. Yeah. Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade at a time, nothing forced. Trust the process, ride the natural course. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time, done. Green candles, stacking slow. Chill in the zone. Chill in the zone. Yeah, coffee's hot, charts are up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up, quiet, one trade at a time. Done. Discipline over hype, that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new setup, still here chasing. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up, quiet, one trade at a time. Done. Long game, that's the only motto. Small wins add up, watch the account grow slow. No rush, let the process work. Chill in the zone, that's the only flex. Yeah. Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade at a time, nothing forced. Trust the process, ride the natural course. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up, quiet, one trade at a time. Done. Green candles, stacking slow. Chill in the zone. Chill in the zone.
Stop with the overpaid, because how many prospects, honestly, when you start to think about it, you just sent Marcelo Meyer to the San Francisco 49ers. Really?
Good morning, chat. How are we doing today? We are live, and we got our boy Chase in the building. Is that Chase?
I was on the phone with last night. I'm sorry.
Yo, can you hear me?
Some fun happened because of the big
You can never hear me, bro.
Discipline over hype, that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new setup, still here chasing.
How are you guys doing today? Seems like we've just got nothing but straight freaking buyers, bro. Oh my lord. Like, what is going on? Morning, bro. Can you hear me now? Is it me? No, I'm here. I see my mic. I know it's working.
Yeah. Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade at a time, nothing forced. Trust the process, ride the natural course. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run.
Yeah, everything's working normal on my end.
Stacking slow. Chill in the zone. Chill in the zone.
All right, well, while Chase is figuring that out, I'm going to pull up Forex Factory and see what we got going on for today. Just letting the first 15 minutes of the range set, as always. Got to get your information before you can make your move. We got job openings today. Okay. But otherwise, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Let's take this to the high time frame and drag over our zones.
setup, still here chasing. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done long game, that's the only motto. Small wins add up, watch the account grow slow. No rush, let the process work. Chill in the zone, that's the only flex. Yeah.
And my indicator is not working, so I Loki wanna hide that. I don't know why that is.
One good trade at the time, nothing forced. Trust the process, ride the natural course.
Yeah, 'cause that's not working right now.
Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Green candles, stacking slow.
All right. I don't know what I'm doing. I literally just zoned out. Hopefully we get a double break today. Hopefully it's a double break short, and then we come back down and fill the gap, between today and tomorrow. That's what I'm hoping for. Because golly, this is freaking nuts. We're above the value or high. We're above everything. Maybe it's hard to be a shorter right now. I mean, I'm gonna take whatever the double break has, but damn.
That's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new setup, still here chasing. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done long game, that's the only motto. Small wins add up, watch the account grow slow. No rush, let the process work. Chill in the zone, that's the only flex. Yeah. Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade at the time, nothing forced. Trust the process, ride the natural course.
Out of my seller mindset.
That's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new setup.
Yo, Cam, I can't hear you or see anything on the stream.
So you can't hear me? I'm gonna call him because bro needs to just ask Claude. Figure it out with AI. And Claude will tell you what's going on. That's what I do. Anytime I don't know anything, I literally am just like, Claude, fix it. Hello.
Please leave your message.
This bitch ass motherfucker. He's probably calling me at the same time. Yo.
Whenever I join the stream, it just shows like a blank screen, so I can't see.
Did you ask Claude what's going on?
No, you want me to ask?
Yeah, you gotta ask Claude. Like, tell Claude exactly what's going on. That'll be your fastest solution. And tell it the type of computer you have, because I feel like it's a Mac thing.
Got it.
But I could just be a Mac hater. Chat, I had to use a Mac for my sports management internship. I did like back end, like website work, design, and stats for players. And I had to use a Mac. It was probably the worst experience of my life. I will never buy a Mac. They're so hard to use.
Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know.
But yeah, I don't know why this is happening. Because what, didn't you just start having this issue where you can't see things?
Yeah. And you need to work just hard.
Discipline over hype, that's the only flex. Small risk.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. 'Cause nobody else has issues when they join, so I feel like it has to be a computer setting or something.
Still here chasing.
Okay, so one thing is saying I can use Chrome, not Safari. Check browser.
Yeah, don't use Safari. You have to use Chrome.
Okay, I use Chrome for sure. Google has one.
Oh, we actually retested our New York VWAP today. Wow.
Yeah. Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade.
That would be amazing to not just get a break to one side today.
For real.
Especially at all-time highs, we could get a trade in either direction, obviously. Okay, let me try this. If I go here, do I choose this to Chrome?
Yeah. Coffee's hot, charts are up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No brush, no
3 minutes for the opening range to set, guys.
in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners
17 points. Nothing outrageous.
at a time done. Discipline over hype, that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new setup, still here chasing. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone. Get up quiet, one trade at a time. Done. Long game, that's the only motto. Small wins add up, watch the account grow slow. No rush, let the process work. Chill in the zone, that's the only flex. Yeah.
Man, I'm loving this Chill Zone song.
Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade at a time, nothing forced. Trust the process, ride the natural course.
I can't wait to actually hear it.
Slow and steady, that's the only way I know.
Bro, it's so good.
Letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Green candles, stacking slow.
Dang, I forgot to grab a water. I'll be back in 1 second, chat.
Coffee's hot, charts are up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done. Discipline over hype, that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me.
Bet, came back to more viewers. We love this. Good morning. How are we doing, guys? Looks like we're going to have our opening range set. 17 points, 18 points. Let me, yeah, so we got 18-point opening range.
Yeah. Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade at the time, nothing forced. Trust the process, right? The
Full
natural
bullish.
course. Watching money
Alignment.
grow, slow and steady, that's the only way I
There you go.
know. In the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet,
Above.
one trade at a time, done.
Be very, very high.
Green candles,
Alright, let's see if this works again.
stacking slow.
Whenever you join in, I'll get you on stage, my boy. Damn, we're gonna have double break short. I don't like that. If it works out. What up, Antoine? What's up, my boy?
Yo, Cam, can you hear me?
Coffee's hot,
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
green candle stacking.
That's the question. Can you hear me?
Can't hear you.
Patience is the edge, that's how the pros
I feel like it's just your mic setting, bro. Like you have, like maybe you don't. It doesn't have his like. I'm gonna check his audio output. Check your audio output. Maybe it's
discipline over hype.
coming through your mic.
Risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't phase me. Tomorrow's a new setup, still here chasing.
Bro, I'm doing great, man. Chilling in the zone. We got the vibes. Got the long hair. Feeling myself again. Hopefully we get a double break today.
Time done, long game, that's the only motto. Small things add up, watch the account grow.
It's gonna be a good month. It's gonna be a good month.
Process work.
What up, Cyril? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yo.
All right, Cam, I still can't hear you. I checked the audio output
I say patience and not really
settings.
one good trade at the time, nothing forced. Trust the process, right? The natural course. Chill in the zone, watching money grow, slow and steady. That's the only way I know.
I don't know. I'll keep trying.
Winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time.
At least I can see the stream now. Google Chrome works better for sure.
Green candles, stacking slow.
That's weird. Guys, I will be doing a giveaway announcement date later on in stream. After we place our trade, or if 45 minutes, an hour goes by and we don't have a trade, then, I'll announce it. But right now, your boy,
Yeah, coffee's hot, charts are up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the
is
zone, letting winners
looking for that double break short.
one trade at a time, done.
Okay, so I got it ready in trading view. I gotta get ready over here.
Big reward, keep it all in check.
We're gonna be copy trading, hopefully to the loose accounts today.
Setup, still here chasing. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run.
I'm really itching to take a trade on my new funded accounts because they've been sitting for like 2 weeks. Some of them almost 3 now. And I don't want to, I know you get like a month for inactivity, but like, I don't like that they've been sitting so long. I want to just get a trade on there. Like, I really need a double break to, even if it loses, like, I just want to trade, like, but I don't want to take a dumb trade. I just want to be able to get the account like active.
Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. In the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time,
Oh shoot.
Let's go. I can hear you.
Hey, we've got Chase in the building.
Let's go, gang.
Hell yeah, dude.
Sorry about the technical difficulties, gang.
It is all good, brother, man. Man, we're just straight up today. We have the Jolt job announcements comes out at 10. The only thing to give us our double break short today.
You're looking for that double break short?
Yeah, it's the only thing I can take.
Yeah, I like the double break short. Pull us back to the daily VWAP. We haven't touched the daily VWAP since 3:45 my time, which was 6:45 in the morning Eastern time. So I like the double break short here. I'm just concerned we're not at all-time highs right here. I don't know that we're going to get that clean close below New York we want, guys.
Yeah, I definitely don't like that candle for sure. I don't know what's driving up the market. Like, we've been super, like, why? Like, we're going to make another all-time high. Like, what is it coming from? Even the big dogs don't know.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's obviously like institutional longs. My theory is, and I have no idea, but my theory is that some of the big dogs, you know how we were short bias, we were bearish bias for most of July. Yeah. My theory is that some of the big dogs were kind of pushing price lower, knowing that they wanted sellers to step in and get sellers to really like gain trust that the market's going short for a while, just for them to step in so that then they could have those sellers act as their liquidity when they push for a new all-time high. That's the only thing I can think of, is that it was like institutionally like induced to try to get more sellers. Because yeah, it makes no sense why we had reasonable pullbacks. Being at all-time highs right now makes zero sense. Like it was making sense to have a retracement in this market.
And I think it's wild how our market is solely just based off of, like, how is news the only thing that gives our market value? You're telling me words and opinions? Like, I get it. Like, the market is based on behavior too, but it seems it's only behavior. There's no actual substance to make the market move in a direction.
Yeah, you're right. Good morning, Regini. Good morning, everyone. Antoine, Cyril. Good morning, you guys. Regini, what the heck are we gonna do with you, huh? So you like the music, Regini?
Yeah, can you hear it? Should I turn it up for you, Chase, so you can hear it good?
I can hear it good. If you want to turn it up a tiny bit, it sounds smooth to me. Everything sounds good.
Yeah, we'll turn it up so you can get like a nice clear tone of it.
Turn that B up.
Coffee's hot, charts are up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done. Discipline over hype, that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new setup, still here chasing. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet. one trade at a time. Done. Long game, that's the only motto. Small wins add up, watch the account grow slow. No rush, let the process work. Chill in the zone, that's the only flex. Yeah. Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade at a time, nothing forced. Trust the process, ride the natural course. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done. Green candles, stacking slow.
This song is literally talking about price right now. Green candles stacking slow.
For real.
Nick said, "Good morning, Cam and Chase. It's been 2 days since I started using the 9 EMA and VWAP combo, and it's been working really well. What rating would you give this setup out of 10? I like it. I don't personally use the 9 EMA, but I like any added confluences you can get to your VWAP confluence. So I personally like it. If it's been working well for you and you have a good read with it, let's see what Cam thinks. But I like it. If you're back testing it with your VWAPs, sounds good to me.
I use the EMAs. Well, I use the 200. I like it because it's a 200 day. And I think the more days hold more weight. But like Chase said, if it's good confluence and it's giving you consistency and it's giving you confidence, that's a W for me. Whatever works for you is what is my best advice. But it has to have consistency and at least be like 50 to 60% profitable. Any trader should be profitable with a 50% win rate. I need to go back in time and see where this zone is because I didn't mark it up correctly when I tried.
Watching money grow, slow and steady, that's the only way I know. In the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Green candles, stacking slow. Coffee's hot, charts are up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time.
Yo, I wish he was here for that. That was funny.
Still here chasing. Watching money grow, slow and steady, that's the only way I know. In the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Long game, that's the only motto.
Man, I feel like we're gonna go hit all-time hot today.
No rush, let the process work. Chill in the zone, that's the only flex.
Welcome in, everybody. And after we place our trade, I will be doing the giveaway announcement date. I will be letting everybody know when to tune in next. And when the Discord members will be getting the chance at winning their account for joining. Only the first 50 are going to be eligible for winning. But if you join now still, we're doing another giveaway at 100. So there is still time for you to join the Discord and be eligible to win an account. Just not the one we're doing this week. Oh man, I was really hoping we could get some follow through with these sells, but guess not. Another strong bullish close.
We do just need 11 or 12 points pushed to the downside, but yeah, it's frustrating wanting that. It gets so close, it gets like 6 points away, and then we get 5-6 points straight back up.
And the VWAP's about to leave the opening range. Part 5 zillion.
So something that's interesting about this, Cam, that you bring that up. I used to think when the New York VWAP leaves the opening range, I'm really just looking for the break and retest. Now I've started to look at how fast did that break happen, time-wise, balance with volume. So was it an actual break where we had time and volume and it was a steady break? Now I'm more tempted for the break and retest. But I've got some examples from late in July where we saw these strong breaks of opening range where they were big breaks, but they were such a straight line and they didn't have much time. The volume was in balance with time, so that when it did start, it moved almost up or down in a straight line. So when it did reverse and it broke the VWAP, even though it was outside opening range, we had momentum going in the opposite direction because the break and retest, it wasn't a clean, steady break. It was just a sharp down or up. Right, so then it's easier, I think, for the double break to work out. I don't know. It's something I want to test. I want to keep taking notes on.
Yeah, I kind of came to the same conclusion. Bro, I kind of just want to throw on a random long, bro. Like, we're outside the range again. Like, what am I gonna? I don't know, man. I'm starting to think the break and retest is, or not the break and retest, but just the first break of opening range is starting to set the direction for the day. I mean, shoot, man. If I would have longed off of the break back into the wick zone, that would have been a nice trade. Trading is now getting hard.
Yeah, right now it would pay to be an opening range break trader, huh?
I think I'm gonna become one this week. Just this week.
Just until price conditions change. Why not? Fuck it.
I'm not gonna sit here and be flat for 2 weeks because we don't get a double break.
I mean, I will. I would need to see.
I can't. I have to place trades on my accounts. My accounts have been flat for 2 to 3 weeks, so.
Oh damn.
I kind of itching to get a double break or just a safe trade on the book so I can have just another 30 days from that day, you know?
Damn, dude.
Yeah, I mean, I've got like a week or two left, like probably 2 per on my accounts, but it's just the uneasy feeling of knowing you've had fresh accounts sitting for a while. It's like, all right, like, let's do this shit. Damn, man. I mean, like, there's just really no pullback for anything. You get 8 minutes up, you get 1 candle down, and it's another 8 to 10 minutes up. Golly, this is hard.
Yeah, coffee's hot, charts are up on the screen.
Now that we're going to be back in, Q3 conditions, end of the year, we might just be ripping a lot.
Discipline over hype, that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day.
Stay patient, because once we get this pullback to New York VWAP, you'll feel a lot better that you stayed patient. If you jump into something and then we do get a pullback to New York VWAP before 11 a.m. Eastern, you're not going to be thrilled. Like it's only 10:05.
You get one red candle and then it's boom up again. Like holy shit!
I know.
This is nuts.
Just give it a second. Just give it a second, bro. You're acting like you're in a
I'm analyzing the market
now.
conditions. I'm paying attention to what's going on. So when I come to the market tomorrow and I see this same thing happening, I'm now in the long.
Oh my God!
When the New York VWAP leaves the opening range, I can now enter a long. And it works perfect, right? If you were to enter at 10 o'clock, the New York VWAP left the opening range at 10 o'clock today. If you were to just play the 15-minute candle, you just caught money up to the all-time high. And what I'm doing is I'm saying out loud what's happening. Okay, we're going up and then we're getting one candle down and then we're going straight up again for another 8 to 10 minutes. So if that's happening all day, I've now spotted what trend looks like in a ripping market. I struggle with that.
You're just going off of yesterday's price action.
No, I'm going off of today's price action. We are going down one and then we're ripping.
Okay, where
down one and now
where in Futures 2.0 or in ASFX did you learn to buy or short where prices at all-time highs extended away from New York VWAP?
It is smarter to buy the all-time high than to short the all-time high.
Okay, I can agree with that.
And I'm not saying to buy the all-time, like I'm going to be flat until 11 o'clock today. I'm trying to gather as much information today, so tomorrow I'm ready to swing. I'm not ready to swing today.
Well, we'll see. If it pulls back to New York VWAP, you wouldn't take a trade. If we got it.
But so like what so like pretty much for the past 2 weeks, once we've left the opening range, it's been see ya, right? We've at least had a move outside of the opening range, the same size as the opening range, right?
Right.
So with that in mind, if I can figure out how to catch 7 points out of that, that's easy money in my opinion. Longs were easy today. We had full bullish alignment. If you waited for the first break of the opening range and then waited for the VWAP to leave, you could catch longs at 10 o'clock. And then any of these red candles, you could have bought on the pullback. And you would be up right now. I think it's called a high of day VWAP break. Look at that, high of day VWAP break. And then high of day VWAP. Oops, that's the point of control. That's what Ben was going over yesterday. Look, 10 o'clock, we retested the high day VWAP. You enter long, stop loss above that wick, below that wick. Or you could put it below the VWAP if you want that extra range. And then you catch it up to the all-time high since we're that close. I'm just trying to mark up ideas that are safer since the double break may be out of commission.
that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new setup, still here chasing. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done long game, that's the only motto. Small things add.
Because I don't feel like I need to. I don't feel like I need to mark up like, oh, like we're X amount of points out of the range. Oh, this is like, I feel like this is like this type of condition has been happening for 2 weeks now. So now I'm thinking like, how can I get involved?
Hey, what's the journaling software we use? What's it called? The one you sent me?
Gainway?
Thank you, because I signed up with it, but the tab closed, so I just forgot what it's called because I had to open it back up. Thank you for sending that over, by the way. It's super clean.
Isn't it?
Yeah, super nice.
Yeah, if Luna pops in the chat, we'll let him know.
Did Luna create it?
Luna and his boy, it's their platform.
So how come he doesn't charge for it? Because I'm running it for free.
Because it's still in the early development of like being released. So
that's
it's
fucking
like,
sick, dude.
You're doing a beta thing, right? We're like, hey, you guys come try our shit. And I bet you, after some time, they're probably going to close it off. And then if things go well, they'll probably start charging.
Right. That would be sick if the early people get like a discount or like continue use it for free because they'll sell it to new customers.
Probably. It probably will be grandfathered in with like a 10% rate or something off for life.
Most likely. This is pretty cool though.
Yeah, it's super clean. That's the other reason I want to place trades, bro. Like, I'm trying to see my shit, bro. Like,
hey, we trade the chart, not our P&L. You know that, Cam. Last week, I was a horrible example. So this week, I'm coming back, reset, ready to go. I'm going to be a good example.
Yeah, you be good cop. I can be bad cop this week.
Sounds good. Yeah, last week, you had to be good cop the whole time. I
had to be the strict parent last week.
I was free balling shit, and it didn't work for my account. So this week...
And then you bring your bad friends over to the house, and they start doing delinquent shit.
I was a degenerate last week, so this week I'm going to be completely locked in moving forward.
You know how hard Friday's trade was with you and Adam fading me damn near all day, and y'all tell me, oh, cut the trade.
You know I'm a degen when I have one of the most patient traders I know, Adam Q, taking 3 trades, like breaking all of his loss limits and rules besides his daily loss limit, so good for him for sticking, but everything else he was like, fuck it, I'm getting back in with Chase. And I'm like, dude, I'm a horrible what's it called example and influence right now because I'm not trading the game plan. So all my analysis from the weekend was like me getting back to my edge and getting back to my game plan. That's why I'm not phased by anything up here. Yesterday we weren't phased. We just let price run without us. Like that's the other thing about if you have another stream of income, whether it being like for me, I'm 23 years old, so I'm working like a 9 to 5, but sometimes like yesterday I worked like a 9-hour shift. On Sunday went in for 5 hours after my baseball game, if you have another stream of income, my goal is to have another stream, like have my own business or have enough maybe have a property that I'm renting, an investment property or something, have another stream that isn't like working, trading my time for money. But right now, that's what my situation is. So if anyone watching this is also working, or you do have another stream of income, it makes it nice so that a day like today, you're not tripping about if price just continues to rip without us, then so what? Like, I'm still able to pay rent. I'm still able to put food on the table. So we're not going to force something, because if price does come back to New York, we might get a really nice short entry. It might reject off of OARCH high and New York, and we might get a really clean break and retest long. And it might not happen today. We might get a really good clean trade tomorrow and Thursday. Like, we don't know. Look at the chat, Cam. Antoine saying, stay patient. Look how good last month was for you.
Dude, Austin just fucking... I said in the BSC chat, I was like, man, your boy might have to take the first break of the OR once VWAP leaves. He said, chill, is that what you do to make money?
Exactly. Thank you, bruh. Thank you.
Discipline over hype, that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new setup, still here chasing. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Long game, that's the only motto. Small risk, add up, watch the account grow slow.
How many viewers you got right now, Cam? Yo, Cam.
Sorry, 1 second. I don't have the stream up on.
No, you're good, bro. I was just making sure you could hear me because I pulled up the stream on my X. I've had so many audio issues, chat. Now I'm like paranoid. You know, every time like Cam doesn't respond to me, I'm like, oh. Or like, I'm just, knock on wood, I'm so grateful. I think it's just I need to use Google Chrome, because when I use Safari, I have so many issues. I can't hear him. Like the last few days, I haven't been able to see the stream. But now I'm on Google Chrome with it, and I can see the stream. I can hear Cam. I can see the chat. I guess the whole time I've been able to see the chat. So I've been able to see you guys the whole time. But now I can see Cam and his ugly chart running towards new all-time highs every 5 minutes.
We've got 11 viewers. We got 4 on YouTube and 7 on your X.
Sounds good, brother. Sounds good. Thank you guys for being here on such a crappy market regime we're in right now. Very, you know what happened, Cam? I was thinking about this. Remember when we were trading live with Adam on Friday, and the shorts were paying well for me and Adam finally, but we wanted to hold longer, and then Trump tweeted at like 8:30 or something, like 11:30 Eastern time. Ever since Trump tweeted, we've done nothing but go up like 100 and something points. We've gone up since Trump tweeted like 100, 200 points. 230 points in a straight line up. Like, this is literally I changed my take from what I said last week. These are Trump's markets. Trump owns the bullish market. I don't know what it is about this guy, but if he wants it to go up, if he really wants the market to go up, it might take him a few tweets or a press conference or two, but he will make sure that happens.
Yo, that's so fucking true.
So I'm never going to be afraid in the near future in the current Trump regime. I'm never going to be afraid of long opportunities. Plus, on the year, my TradeZella has my longs at like 63% win rate, and my shorts, for some reason, are in the 30%. So I really am looking at that. Like, am I taking a bunch of random shorts too? What's the issue there? Because I'm good on my longs and not on my shorts stat-wise. So I need to figure that out.
So YM has a double break going on right now.
Dude, YM's been the only one. Yesterday or Friday it did it too. One of the days YM did it, I was watching an ASFX video. Holy shit. Microsoft took off. This one of my friends at SJSU, her friend was like asking about like if she had some play money to throw into a stock, like, and I was like, you know, the market's so high, it's tough to say. Like, I would, if it's play money and you can sit on it for years. Like, I'm not a financial advisor, but my favorite one looking at is Microsoft. And I said this like 4 months ago or 5 months ago when it was around 400 or a little less. Well, it was just like around break even for the first 3-4 months after I said that. And then last week, the market has taken off for Microsoft, and it's at 494 right now, all-time highs. So she could have gotten a little 20% gain right there. But I told her, I was like, this is like the same thing as it's a gamble, because she was saying she wanted to take it out after a few months. So I was like, okay, it's a gamble, but she was going to do what she's going to do. So I think she ended up buying some shares. Good for her.
That's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day.
All right, you guys, 15 points. 14, if we could just get 14 points back down, I'll be happy, because we will get back to New York VWAP.
I'm long on YM.
Are you really?
Yep, I'm playing the double break.
Okay, bro. Okay.
I used to trade YM. When it, like, in the Forex market, like the indices, like the Dow Jones itself. So I'm not hesitant to trade the YM on the double break. And if it loses, then I lose.
Look at
At least
this.
I'm still playing the double break.
Look at this, chat. Cam adapting to the market. Finds a new asset to trade. That should be the video title for today when you post on YouTube. Trader Cam finds new asset mid-session to double break on. Trader Cam down early on his double break here, gang. On ES, just so you know, Cam, we are starting to pull back towards New York VWAP. Just in case you're only trading that on one or a few accounts, and on another account you could trade ES if it does continue to sell back to New York. Regini, look at this. Jesus Leon 6290. Let me know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Is shorting right now. YM. He's shorting YM. Fade Trader Cam. I like it. If I'm not doing it, someone in the chat has to. Yo, Cam, I got a request for you. Can you send me the clips that you make and you post? Because I know if you make me like when you make me like the co-editor or whatever on Instagram, then I have the clip, so it's perfect. But if you don't post any on IG, but you clip it, can you send it to me?
I only make clips to post.
Perfect. So you post them all on IG?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Trader Cam.
Yeah, I usually go through the stream that day, and then I try to get 2 to 3 clips. So, like today, I'm gonna get a clip of my double break, and then like, if there's anything else I can think of, I'll get a clip of that. I'll probably get a clip of you not being able to hear me again.
That will be funny. Or yeah, get a clip of like my Trump, his tweets, my take on that. Because you were talking about that last week. Hey Zeus, don't apologize for your English, brother. You're good. Thank you for being here. Looks like he's coming in from YouTube. I like it. 5-minute close on open price today is bearish for me. So that's why he's short YM, the 5-minute close. Regini, people follow Jesus, but Jesus follows you. Wow, that's next level VIP treatment. Regini with the jokes. Would it even be a trading session without Regini and her jokes? Regini, what do you think of Cam's long? Trader Cam flipping assets today, and he's trading YM on the double break as ES is causing us nothing but headaches waiting for a pullback to New York. Can we blame him? I don't think we can.
And the reason why I took the entry where I did is because if we were taking it on the first entry, I would have taken it on this candle, right? So for me to get a pullback here, I mean, obviously I didn't know it was going to touch the VWAP, but I'm playing it as if I got the entry the first time. That's why I was okay with that entry. And we'll see how it works. James Bruce took the entry right here, and he got out like around 54. And with how bullish the market was, I mean, I wasn't expecting a pullback on YM at least. If anything, I would expect them to be divergent. YM go up and ES fall.
Yeah, I know. It is strange because NQ and ES are so bullish. NQ leading the way right now.
Coffee's hot, charts are up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand. In the zone, watching money grow.
ES is battling at the high a day anchored VWAP right now. If we close above that, that is a technical long signal with our strategy. It's just not one of the highest probability ones. It's not my favorite trade. Cam, are you looking to cut this soon?
Nope, I don't cut trades. I let my stop loss get hit.
Got you.
I didn't know I was going to get hit. That's a strong ass push. This thing keeps me in like, holy shit.
Oh, you didn't get tagged out?
Oh, I did here. Yeah, so I took a loss on my.
Did you trade any funded?
Yeah, I only have funded, so down
Nice,
300.
bro. All right, chat. So I'm flat. What are we looking like in the chat? Trader Cam right now is red on the day, but I think he only took it in a few of his fundeds. I don't think he took it in all of them. And if we look at ES here, we just need a quick 13 points, you guys. Knock on wood. I haven't jinxed it yet, so let's get us a little pullback here. Pullback before 11:30 Eastern. I have to get off in 1 hour, Cam. So I have to get into work at 9. I have a deal I gotta close today, so I gotta get in early. But I got another hour here before I gotta get ready. So
That's fine. I'm ready to end stream whenever you are, brother.
Damn, you're not taking another trade?
Why would I?
What if we get a pullback on ES?
We're outside the opening range. Why would I take the risk?
Well, if you took the risk on, if you didn't take the trade on YM, you probably would feel differently.
I think the double break is a safer trade for me to play than a trade outside of the opening range.
Okay.
I really traded the double break today because I wanted to get a trade on those accounts. I shouldn't have entered on TradingView, but because that was what was in front of my screen, I entered on it.
Right.
When I entered there, I kind of regretted that, but I definitely, if it would have won, I would have been grateful that I entered. That's how confident I am in the double break. If it presents, I'm going to take it. Because
Right.
look, it played out for, if you were James, 57 to, 57, that's 100 points. Because if you look at the 15-minute candle flip, I mean, I couldn't have expected that. It literally went all the way back down to the base. Like, it's just a choppy, like, the market just sucks right now. Unless you're just on ES or NQ buying the first break of the opening range. Otherwise, you got to be patient. I'm tired of being patient. So I took the double break.
We got a little impatient this morning. That's okay.
Yep.
It's
It's a good example of what happens. That's so fucking crazy, bro.
I don't trade YM.
It's going straight back up.
Yeah, I
This
know. I
market
see.
sucks, bro.
ES, we're gonna get that close above the high a day anchored VWAP here. I just don't think I like buying it all the way up here. I mean, the risk to reward isn't even horrible.
See, like, that's some bullshit. Like, unless this thing actually comes back down and starts selling off, I'm gonna be upset. I'm not upset at my trade losing, but I'm just gonna be like, damn, like, it literally came back down just to keep going back up and knock everybody. Like, that's algo trading. Like, that's stop hunting, in my opinion. Like, I figured, like, because this isn't, we haven't really been bullish on YM really since 745. We kind of just chopped. So in my mind, I'm thinking, damn, YM's late to the party. Looks like a good time to get in long.
Right.
That was my logic. So I feel like I took a good loss. Did I get outside of my trading plan? Yes. Is it still a good trade idea? Yes, the double break. And the double break yesterday played out on YM, by the way. So it's literally just rolling the odds. And I got unlucky. We came down just to go back up. Because I was not going to long ES today. I'm not buying the all-time high, and I'm not waiting for the VWAP play.
Well, I am on the on another perspective to Trader Cam here. I'm happy to stay flat today. I'm flat right now on my funded. There was the opportunity a few minutes ago. We'd only be up a few points, but to long at 700 on the break a high a day anchored VWAP in such a trendy market right now. Cam's right. It doesn't look like we will get that pullback. We don't know that for sure. We were just a few minutes ago. We were only about 9 points away a few minutes ago. So it could happen, but it's unlikely. So maybe we'll get a trade tomorrow, Thursday and Friday. I'm more thinking about it now after having such a roller coaster of a June and July, really. I'm getting back to when I was taking payouts, I was focused on how's my performance this week, not what's my P&L on the day, but how am I trading this week? Am I only taking a few trades because they're good A setups and I'm green and I'm winning 75% of the time? Okay, that's when I've been taking payouts. So I'm going to get back to that. If it takes me longer because the market's doing some bullshit right now, then so be it. I'm going to stick to the game plan right here. So if anyone's flat watching this, I think you're doing a good job. If you are red, then like Cam, stick to your stop loss. Don't over leverage. Take your loss and be okay with it. Like Cam handled that loss perfectly. And exactly how any professional does. You're okay with this size that you risked. His account isn't blown, it's still intact, and he's not going on tilt. So if you are red, keep it where you're at. Don't force another trade here.
Yeah, in chat, I didn't risk a lot of money. I'm on, the minimum that I need to make per day is $200, and I risked $300. So I think I had pretty good risk today. If it was on ES, I probably would have been higher because I'm used to ES, but I don't know the math and the weight for YM because I never traded YM futures. I traded the Dow Jones like CFD. See, now I'm tempted to get back in on this trade right here on a different set of accounts.
Antoine said third flat day in a row. Good for you, Antoine. Really good patience, bro. And when those clean trades start presenting again and your account is super green, but it's only on, say, 50% trading days, you're going to be really happy you didn't force trades these last few days. Good for you.
We're going for one more long chat, and then I'll be done for the day.
All right, here we go.
The only reason I'm doing it is because we took out the opening range low again, and we're back above the VWAP. So I'm going to target this wick, this high right here. I'm not going to target the full range. I'm only going to go for my $200. So if I can get 2 accounts that got my minimum, I'm happy with that. Plus, I eradicated the mental fuckery of me not being in trades for 3 weeks on these accounts. So fuck it. I'm playing the right side of the VWAP. I'm not fighting momentum. I'm not fighting trend. If I take another loss, then I take another loss. Like, I think I've proven over the course of these 2-3 months that I'm a good trader, and I know when to have discipline, and I need to get better at maybe swinging the bat. And also, I'm having good risk management because I'm using a different set of accounts. It's not going to fuck my mind to be red on all my accounts today. It doesn't matter. If I want to take big payouts, I have to trade all my accounts anyway.
Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and I really knew it. One good trade at the time, nothing.
I like it. The trade looks good.
Watching money grow, slow and steady, that's the only way I know. In the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Green candles, stacking slow.
For anyone that did take the break of the high a day VWAP at 10:33 or 10:32 Eastern time, when I called out that long, you should have taken profit when we got the new all-time high. That would have taken profit. I didn't take that trade, but I called out that long, and it would have hit TP.
Charts are up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand.
And after this trade plays out, guys, I will do the announcement date giveaway. So stay tuned for this last, 20-30 minutes. I really thought I was going to get lucky and get wicked out in that one candle. That would have been
Good job, Antoine. Still up plus 5R in the last 3 weeks. That's awesome, dude.
Hell yeah, dude.
If 1R is 1%, that's basically you're at payout. In 3 weeks, that's really good.
Patience and I really knew it. One good trade at the time, nothing forced. Trust the process, ride the natural course. Chill in the zone, watching money grow, slow and steady. That's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Green candles, stacking slow.
Trade's looking good, Cam.
Yeah, we are a slow and steady grind. Got the 10:45 candle about to close, so hopefully it holds bullish. And we get another follow through in the next 15 minutes.
Living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand. Chill in the zone, watching money grow, slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done.
And like I said, guys, if I take a loss today, I will just feel good about having all my accounts traded. I know that I'm a good enough trader by at the end of this month, this losing day is not going to affect me at all. I could have 3 losing days this week, and I know I'll be fine. And that's the confidence that I want everybody in the chat to have, that you could have 5 losing days, and you can come back in the next week and make it all back the right way.
Antoine, are you able to see my reply in the chat to you, even though it's from X?
He should. I can see it.
I know you can see it because you're running the stream. I want to make sure you can see it.
I think anything I see, they see.
I think so too.
Because I have it so like the chat, it's all on one. Oh, he said no.
See?
What? I have it so it should be all on one, not on YouTube. Okay, so if I put it up there, he can see it, but it doesn't show in the YouTube chat. That makes sense. If you were live with your YouTube, Chase, then it probably would.
I got you.
Is that you, bro? Is that your cute little baby face? Which one are you? Are you the little baby or the big baby head?
I'm the big baby. That's my baby brother who's the little one.
That's dope, bro. I wish I had a brother.
I know. Shout out my baby bro. Shout out Ryder. Good kid.
All right, so we have this is a good 15-minute close, guys. Hopefully we can just get these extra couple points to give us our minimum take profit needed for the day. Is 203 enough? I don't think so. 206. I just want to make sure that I actually hit the 200.
Are you back on green for the day?
I'm in a different batch of accounts.
So good.
So I have 3 batches technically, guys. So I have an individual account that's on TradingView. I have batch 2, which I'm trading right now. So it's leader 2 and follower 2. So I'm up, on both of them. And then the ones that took the losses on are down $300.
Good.
So good risk management. Even if I lose today, it's not a big deal. It's only $300. I could make that back tomorrow. And then I'll be break even on the week.
That is really good risk management, actually. 300 because it's what, 100K account size?
It's 100K and I only need $200 per day. So if I lose 300 to make 200, that's good. It's not like I've lost 500 and I only needed 2. Like, that's bad risk to reward.
Exactly. I agree.
And I think it's all with what your mental can handle. Shit, I could be trading, 1 mini. I could be risking 500, 1,000. It's all in how big are your pockets and how quickly can you replace the account if you lose it.
Yeah, that's a really good point too. Some people mentally can handle a little bit more risk than others, and that's okay. Normally, it takes time in the game to build up risk tolerance, to have stronger risk tolerance. And some people naturally, like I have friends that are very risk adverse. They don't want to take a lot of risk. And when it comes to financial risk, their biggest risk wise in their investment would be like an index fund, like the S&P or QQQ. Like they would never day trade or go into an individual stock, and like that's fine. Like good for them for knowing their risk tolerance. They like guaranteed returns, like a high yield savings or a CD or government bond, stuff like that. So good for them for knowing their risk tolerance. It applies to your trading accounts. I know it's a little bit different, but it applies. I've been a little bit too free-willed with my risk and just letting my balls hang with the risk a little bit. And so I need to pull it back in and have a good balance. That's when I'm at my best. When I'm balanced and I'm really preserving my capital and managing risk, that's when I can really get on a tear in these markets. But when I'm not worried about my risk and I'm not managing it, that's when I hurt my accounts big time.
Yeah, bro, I agree. That was like the number one thing for me to learn, bro, was I need to learn how to manage my risk in my accounts. Let's go, chat. We hit 201 for the day. Let's go. 201 there. What'd I get on the other one? Did I get it? Fuck, I only got 198 on this one. Fuck, man, that sucks.
Hey, big dubs though. Dubs in the chat for Cam for taking that second long. Sometimes you need to shoot twice. Sometimes you need to shoot. Yeah, Regini, there we go. Sometimes we need to fire twice, right? So good job, Cam. Sometimes we gotta shoot twice.
Thank you, bro. And you know, I've gone through this experience before where I've been 50 cents short. It kind of bothers me a little bit because it's going to throw off my days when I take my payouts, but not a big fucking deal. At least the account's in profit, you know, that's what matters.
Right.
So, and that's what happens when you trade P&L, guys. You're not going to get, you may not always get what you're looking for, but the big takeaway is like what Chase said. I had the confidence to try another idea out, and I did everything right. I traded on the right side of the VWAP, and I traded bullish, which was in trend, and I made money. And now I can be done for the day. 2 trades.
If price on ES keeps ripping up, let's just end the stream in 10 minutes at 11 a.m. your time. How does that sound?
Cool with me?
Regini, the only way you're keeping me on this stream is if you can move ES to the downside. Then I'll stay past 11 o'clock Eastern. But if you can't get it below 7,700 in the next 10 minutes, then I'm ending the stream. I'm sorry, Regini. I just have frustrations. Like Cam was able to take his impatience and frustrations out on YM, but I'm sticking to my ES. And if I don't take a trade today, I'm good with that. But yeah, I'm gonna take the frustrations out on my chat, and that means you, Regini.
And that means you.
Can you move ES to the downside in a hurry, because my accounts looks like I've been on vacation this week. You couldn't tell the difference if you looked at my account's P&L.
All right, guys, we've got 2 viewers on my YouTube and Chase holding down the fort with 10. So thank you, Chase. I appreciate that.
Well, thank you guys on X. Thank you guys in here. My account got breached today. Regini,
we'll touch on that in 1 second. Let me announce the date for the giveaway real quick.
Yeah, Cam, before you do that real quick, Regini, if you want to, you can always just send me on a private message, or send Cam and me post your markup, or you can do it in the Discord, like do it in the trading chat. But if you're more comfortable, just send it to a group chat with me and Cam. Send that in. But anyway, Cam, go ahead with that. I just wanted to touch on that.
No, you're good, bro. I was gonna say that after. So yeah, guys, we are gonna be doing the first Top 1 Futures giveaway for the Chill Zone for our members on Thursday this week. We're gonna do it after stream. So I'm thinking about doing it on stream. I'm gonna do a duck race, and I have the list of everybody already. If you are active in the chat or you are active on YouTube, you're in. Don't even worry about it. Like, even if, as long as you sent 2 messages, you're good. You know, I want everybody to be in it as possible. And then, yeah, so that's it. It'll be a 50K duck race Thursday.
Well, I'm certainly excited for it. I'll be here on Thursday with Cam, so I'm excited to see the first giveaway. Shout out Trader Cam for running up the Discord so quickly. I mean, you're building a really positive community there. We were having some really constructive conversations regarding Regini's trading yesterday. I see, looks like Ant just dropped in a markup on the Discord, so we'll definitely send in feedback on that. But yeah, shout out Cam, because I certainly feel very, open and welcome to say how I'm feeling about trading and use the community as support for me, to talk to you guys and to give you guys feedback. So
I'm trying to build an empire, guys. I'm really big on trying to change my life. I'm trying to be living lavish. I'm trying to be like a big dog. You know what I mean? When I walk in the building, heads turn, and I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna make a way for me and my people.
Me and you are going right there, bro. Straight to the top.
Yeah, Double Bricks almost played out on YM. So if you were actually trying to play for the full take profit, I mean, you damn near got it. If you're not taking between 80 and 90% on a day like today, take that shit. And this is why I played the double break, guys. If I was on ES, I probably would have put the stop loss below the overnight VWAP. Again, this isn't an asset I'm comfortable with, so I had a tight stop loss. You guys know I never put my stop loss that close to the opening range low. When do I ever do that? Never. I always give my trade room. But maybe because I knew I was sized maybe too heavy to give it that extra room, I didn't really want to lose more than 300. I didn't give it the room. I'll have to think about this in my head throughout the day. But yeah, guys, I'm trying to build an empire, man. We're going to run this shit up. I interviewed with Black Arrow yesterday.
Good,
and it went well. I have another interview on Friday. And, if I can get locked in with them guys, bro, the stream, we're going to take this shit to a whole nother level, guys. I have such a big vision, bro. If I can get paid with a company, I can invest into myself, which means good things for you guys.
It means good things for the community. Exactly. That's why I'm so excited to be working with you, Cam. I know that you've got the same hunger I do. And it's nice because I'll be at work, working on whatever. And I'm getting texts from Cam saying hey, you ready to stream tomorrow? I'm hyped. And I'm just this is the type of energy I want from my trading partner and, future business partner, because I want someone that is also hungry and always thinking about how to grow. I was joking in the chat last week that because I'm texting Ina, we're bringing JB on Friday. I'm working on bringing Austin on. I'm always scheming, but for real, Cam is too. You know what I mean? So you need to be scheming, Cam, and you have been. So that's why I love being here, running this up with you. I'm excited, even though. So I'm glad we had the giveaway announcement, because that's made me feel a little bit better about this price action today, and the fact that I'm gonna have Monday and Tuesday no trade days this week after last week being such a shit show. But you know what? We're learning, you guys. We're taking inventory on the market, and we're also preserving capital. So we're doing a good job. How do you want to wrap things up, Cam? I think I'm gonna get ready for work. If you want to wrap this stream up, and then we're streaming separate tomorrow, correct? So then Thursday is the next time to let them know when we're streaming again together.
I think I'm on your stream.
You're on my stream tomorrow?
Yeah. I think next week is when I'm hosting Ashley, so I won't be able to be on your stream.
Sounds good. Okay, so you're on my stream tomorrow, and then Thursday I'm back on yours.
Yep.
Sounds
you
good,
got it, brother. And next week we are fully booked. Thursday we'll have a special guest from the BSD joining Chase and I. So that'll be fun.
Stay tuned on when Ina is coming on. Waiting to hear back final word from her. if we can get her on. That's a big if at the moment. Ben Price, stay tuned. Ben Price is going to be joining the stream later in August. Date is to be determined still. Adam, stay tuned. Adam will be back on here as soon. He's more of he's got a liquid, kind of a fluid schedule because of family and things. We'll see when we can get him on next in the next week, and then JB on Friday. So we've got Thursday, the giveaway, and then Friday we're bringing JB on stream. So that'll be a good week if we can get – Cam, how about we get some actual trade opportunities on ES, huh?
Bro, how about you just look for the double break?
And I open up for YM and NQ as well.
No, not NQ. NQ's trash.
Just YM. Okay,
Just
I'll
YM.
look at it. I'll look at it because I want to take a trade, but I think I'm gonna stay patient for ES. ES is gonna give it to me.
Today, I definitely got out of my element, but I can handle it. So I did it.
I think if a day like today happens again tomorrow or Thursday, I am going to take that high a day anchored VWAP on a low risk. Like once we are shooting up, or say shooting down, but say we're shooting up and then we get a slight pullback, not enough to get to New York, but I have a high a day anchored VWAP on, and then it takes that high a day going back to the longs, that's when we get in long, because you can have a tight stop, tight take profit, and just scalp, 8 points. Make your bread real quick. Regini, It's dinner time for her. Regini, peace. We'll see you on stream tomorrow. We'll be on my
Peace
X.
out, homegirl.
We'll be on my X and Cam's YouTube, of course. But yeah, we'll wrap up the stream there. We'll look for some trades tomorrow. Good job staying flat, you guys. Good job to Trader Cam, and yeah, peace out, gang.
All right, everybody. You guys have a good day. Thanks again for tuning in, and we will be back at it tomorrow. Thank you.
Stacking slow. Coffee's hot, charts are up on the screen. Green candle stacking, living out the dream. No rush, no panic, I just trust the plan. Patience is the edge, that's how the pros stand. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done. Discipline over hype, that's the only flex. Small risk, big reward, keep it all in check. Red day to day, man, it don't faze me. Tomorrow's a new setup, still here chasing. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done. Long game, that's the only motto. Small wins add up, watch the account grow slow. No rush, let the process work. Chill in the zone, that's the only flex. Yeah. Years from now, they'll ask me how'd you do it. I say patience and not really knew it. One good trade at a time, nothing forced. Trust the process, ride the natural course. Chill in the zone, watching money grow. Slow and steady, that's the only way I know. Chill in the zone, letting winners run, stack it up quiet, one trade at a time. Done.